Suken Anti-Vibration Damping Tool Holder. A reliable tool for efficient connections in precision machining. Its unique damping system effectively reduces rebound and resonance, making the machining process smoother and quieter. The tool holder focuses cutting force better, boosting dynamic stability by over 3 times, and achieving mirror-like surface quality. Both depth and efficiency are greatly improved. With a standard interface design, it ensures stable clamping and quick replacement. One holder supports various models of tool heads, suiting both rough and fine machining. Optimizes vibration control, improves surface quality. It enhances efficiency and lowers costs, delivering better productivity and returns. Suken technology. Precision originates from meticulousness.